Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to our new video where we will understand who is product manager. Products have always been there in our lives, and product management is a field that has earned profitable persistence over last few years. It is quite important for an organization to manage the developed product to enhance the business profit, and this can be achieved with the help of a highly skilled product manager only. So, to understand more about product managers and their roles and responsibilities, let's move ahead with our session. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. Today, we'll start this session by understanding what is product management and who is a product manager. Following that, we'll cover the different type of product managers and their roles and responsibilities. Moving forward, we learn the difference between a product manager and a project manager and the skills that are necessary to start your career as a product manager. And stick till the end because we'll wrap up this session by knowing the top companies that are hiring product managers and the average salary of a product manager. So without any further delay, let's move on to the first phase of our session. What is product management? Product management is managing the process of the product throughout the life cycle, from strategizing to design and development to branding of the product. Product management involves strategizing products to enhance the profits of the business, creating customers' value, creating roadmaps to get a clear idea of how to design and develop the product, specifying functional requirements, and creating blueprints. Then the development of the product is done as per the requirements. And once the product is developed, it is necessary to take customer feedback and finalizing the price of the product. Now, let us understand who is a product manager. The product manager is the one who leads the team by managing the product throughout the life cycle, from strategizing to design and development to branding of the product. The product manager is the mini CEO of the product as he leads the product within the organization. The product manager is an important organizational role that focuses on long-term vision for a product. The role concentrates on the marketplace and plans the success of the product by analyzing the market needs for the product. The product manager sets the strategy and roadmaps for the product in order to provide a relevant and valuable product to the customers. The product manager acts as an association between business, developers, and users. The product managers can relate to different operations based on organization working for. For example, research and development, marketing and sales, or testing or maintenance for the product. The product manager is the individual who looks after delivering a valuable product to the market, addressing the market needs. The primary focus of a product manager is to gather the market requirements and strategize the product as per that only. The manager ensures that the product meets the needs of the market and the customer. This role is responsible for providing business to the company by developing new products and improving the already existing products. Now that you know who is a product manager, here's a question for you. What according to you is the best product in the market and why? Let us know in the comment section below. Now, there are various types of product managers. Every organization defines the role of a product manager in its own ways. On the basis of roles and responsibilities, the product managers can be differentiated into various different types. So let's move ahead and understand the different types of product managers. The very first type of product manager is a product manager. The manager manages the entire product life cycle that looks after every aspect of a product, that is, strategizing, road mapping, development, branding, etc. The other type of product manager are product owners. The product owner is an individual who defines the user stories and create a product backlog. The product owner is the primary point of contact on the behalf of the customers. The third type of product manager is distributed product manager. The manager looks the various distributed models of the product teams, that is B2B, business to business, B2C, business to customer, or B2B2C, that is business to customer. The next type of product manager is platform product manager. The one manages the internal stakeholder platforms involving web, mobile, softwares or hardwares. Moving on to the next type of product manager is technical product manager. The individual works with the engineering team and the internal stakeholders, that is design team, development team and the technical leads. The last type of product manager is growth product manager. The manager focuses on improving the business growth by looking at the customer's growth, acquisitions, and the activations. Now, let's move ahead and know what are the roles and responsibilities of a product manager. The product manager looks after a lot of works and operations of an organization. Some of the responsibility of a product manager includes defining the vision of the product, creating strategies, creating customers' value, building roadmaps, specifying functional requirements, organizing the teams, designing and development of the product, data analysis, and monitoring the product performance. When it comes to product management, many of us tend to get confused between a product manager and a project manager. So, let's move further and know the difference between a product manager and a project manager. The product manager deals with all-round needs of a product, from strategizing to design and development to branding of the product. On the other hand, a project manager deals with applying techniques to complete a particular project. The product manager focuses on building up the value of the product, but the project manager focuses on the work coordination. The product manager owns the what. On the other hand, the project manager owns the how. The product manager must be good at market research and strategic thinking, whereas a project manager must be good at planning and budget organizing. The product manager brings the idea related to the product into the marketplace. On the other hand, the project manager uses specific skills to deliver a valuable product. Now, let's move further and know the skills that are necessary to start your career as a product manager. The skills that are necessary for a product manager are strategic thinking, leadership skills, time management, empathy skills, communication skills, analytical skills, presentation skills, customer orientation, and self-confidence. To start your career in product management, you should be aware of the future scope of the field. So, let's take a look at the companies that are hiring product managers. The topmost companies that are hiring product managers are Google, Microsoft, Amazon, TCS, Oracle, SAP, HCL, Wipro, Zoho, and many more. Now, let's move to the end of this session and know what is the average salary of a manager. So, the average salary of a product manager in India is 10 lakhs per annum, whereas the average salary of a product manager in US is approximately $90,000 to $1,60,000 per annum. With this, we have came to the end of this session. But before ending this session, which company would you like to work for as a product manager? Do let us know in the comment section below. So to get a push in your career to start as a product manager, start learning now. Thank you for being here. Keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.